Today, I'm making one of Korean ultimate comfort food, kimchi pork stew. It's spicy, savory, and deeply satisfying. First, finely chop some pork belly. Put in the pot over medium heat to render the fat. Let the pork release its natural oil. That's a free flavor. We don't waste that. Add chopped kimchi and stir fry it with the pork. Cooking the kimchi first makes it softer and deeper in flavor. Now, add a little sugar, some gochugaru, and minced garlic. Stir everything together. When the kimchi becomes soft, pour in some water and bring it to a boil. Then add some kimchi juice. This adds even more depth and tang. Season with fish sauce. Don't have a fish sauce? Just use soy sauce, it works fine. Once it starts boiling, add tofu and green onions. Let it boil one more time. And that's it. Serve with a bowl of rice, warm, bold, and comforting. If you like spicy food, you will love this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.